Gulf access pool home, 3-bed, 2-bath with intersecting canal long water views. Direct beach access on Sterling Drive and simply a very short stroll to the sandy beach. Fishing/boat dock ready for you to enjoy. Large pool west. Pool cage. Wide open family room with pool and water views. Freshly painted and nicely landscaped home. Located in the highly desirable Mid-Island section of Fort Myers Beach. Large front yard. Garage for your beach car. Enjoy fixing up this home to your desires.